HTOO is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend, equally trending following the announcement of a new partnership aimed at accelerating hydrogen infrastructure investments. The news has fueled a sharp surge in the stock's price, drawing in speculative traders and retail investors who see potential for explosive upside if the hydrogen sector gains momentum. Okay, let's see now. The discussion is around, or rather, with many retail. The discussion is such that retail traders highlight the stocks at low market capitalization and limited floats as ideal conditions for possible short squeeze. There's also a growing chorus of caution among seasoned investors who warn that the stock's sudden spike could be the result of a coordinated pump and dump, especially given the company's relatively thin fundamentals and history of diluted offerings. Okay, so in the meantime, the stock remains a high risk, high reward play with volatility likely to persist as speculators weigh the promise of the hydrogen economy against the realities of a low float, thinly traded stock, amongst other things. So yeah, this is the daily chart. Yeah, let's see what we have here. We have 6.76. It's a downward projection. We also have it's a downward projection before now. Sometime last month, we had 19.55, 18.03, 15.57. They're still relevant, even though they're currently not in play at the moment. But they will. The stock has to prove that it deserves to break through them to go through. So it will get tested when it gets there. So that's why they're still relevant. And extrapolation says we are going to continue this uptrend, at least going all the way towards Friday, the 8th of August. And after that, it may still maintain the trend. But these are just extrapolations. The momentum seems to be chiming in as well, indicating that momentum would increase from Monday, the 28th of August. Yeah, that'll be good. And remain elevated up till at least Monday, the 4th of August. And on its 21 day, that was for the 10-day moving average. On the 21-day moving average, it's strength is expected, especially in the intermediate period. The buying pressure will be there and it will remain sustained up to Wednesday the 13th. By then, the buying pressure on the as registered by the 10-day moving average would have cooled off somewhat. So as things stand right now, let's see what they're doing. Okay, they are not only the 10-day moving average has registered a strong buying pressure. So this, yeah, maybe that's why the algos are suggesting that higher prices may still continue because maybe he has just read that there's okay, well, we can see here was a double bottom. Is that what he's looking at? Maybe it's probably looking at the fact that yes, it's suddenly got into trend mode now. There's a good chance it may continue, and maybe has just plotted higher prices, stronger momentum, sustained momentum for at least the same part of August. So, well, so as things stand right now on this daily chart, momentum is expected to increase. Buying pressure is expected to increase. That will not impress um, short sellers. But as things stand right now, they're not phased. They're not worried. Nothing has really happened. The derivatives are actually saying that there's caution is warranted as well. In as much as the algos are projecting that momentum is going to increase, but the fact that we have these negative values indicates that they're either not going to meet that promise or that they are improving. It's a case of glass half full or half empty. So we can, before we move on, let's call to mind again our the projections: 19.55, 18.03, 15.57. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and see what's going on. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, the extrapolation is more sideways movement with a bias to the upside, especially towards the end of this month. And then um, price projections say 9.53 down projection. Okay, upper projection 11.57, 12.85. There's also very low downward projections, very low. There's $1 there. There are negative values there as well. So as things stand right now, because this is the 4-hour chart is a short-term chart. You can see the price pressure momentums there. They are extremely hot. You can see that the 10 period moving average is 55, extremely bullish. But it has a negative second derivative. You know, and the 21 period moving average has two negative derivatives, and just cautioning that this may be short-lived. This rally may not be sustained. The buying pressure is decelerating. Maybe short sellers may have started to gain some ground in this from this rally. Yes, indeed, we have seen it printed an intraday high of 15.21 and has given up everything. Has lost more than 50% of that. So that's what's going on with HTOO, and just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.